just found the maximum length that the Harbor Freight sawmill will cut in its original form. So let's take a look. It's a pretty big log. So this is the log that I started cutting, and I had to maneuver it so that the blade was absolutely against the edge right here. And down here, the blade just got done cutting and just barely made it through. So we can go ahead and measure this. And it's 9 foot 6.5 inches. Nine foot 6.5 inches is a whole 3.5 inches longer than what Harbor Freight manual says it'll cut. So there you go. A little update also. We're all done with the 2x6s for the barn. We've got 77 of them. Now we need to cut 76 2x4s, of which, we have like 20 of them so far. So more work ahead.